Tonto Joselinda Veshisayo Nomisimos Matonto.
Ngikubingelele mbukeli lapho ekhaya unenthizikile ngempela uhlezi ubuka esimangalo esikulethela zonke indaba zamaskandi ezifika ngaso-ke isikhathi. UKhuzani-ke ujabule kakhulu ehlangana nenye-ke indoda yaphesheya kweyilwandle laphana ehlala-ke ePortuguese kodwa isihlala lapha-ke eMzansi eSouth Africa. Yabe isisho ukuthi le ndoda-ke ngempela-ke iyamthanda ngempela-ke uKhuzani. UKhuzani-ke ubese engaphulisi-ke amaseko eseyibuza ngempela ukuthi-ke yiphi-ke ingoma-ke oyithandayo laphana-ke kwi-album yami. Yasisho-ke le ndoda yasePortugal ukuthi-ke ngithanda-ke le ngoma ethi-ke umjolo lowo. UKhuzani-ke ubesejabula wabesebala nabadlali-ke abaziyo ngale kwelangakubo ePortugal. Kodwa-ke mbukeli nansi-ke ividiyo singahambi ngomlomo kodwa nansi-ke ividiyo engikuphathele yona. Siyabonga.
Hello guys, I'm standing with
Alessandro, Portugal.
Oh.
Hola amigos.
Uqhamuka ePortugal sihlanganela eGoli. Yeah, so
Siyajabula kakhulu.
yeah, you know Khuzani?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So which songs do you like for?
Matinisma unjolo. Asuna mandala balabe.
Umjolo. Siyabonga ne?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, come and watch us on Sunday at the Tsakane Stadium. We're playing soccer.
Okay.
With different genders. We're gonna face hip hop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where? Here?
It's fine. Like Tsakane Stadium. Do you know it?
Yeah, you can give for granted we're gonna be there.
Yeah, we can ask my brother to take us there because we're
Yes,
not from
please.
here. We just
Yes, please. Check on my pages.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
For sure, you're gonna support Maskandi.
No, we're gonna
Of
come.
course,
We're gonna
support
come. We're on
Maskandi.
time, Maskandi.
Siyatanda maskandi.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's
From-
beat hip hop.
Also for hip hop.
Yeah, no, we're gonna beat hip hop.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice, man.
we'll play against them and we're gonna beat them.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello from Portugal, my brothers.
Thank you. Sharp. Do you know players from Portugal?
Yeah.
Pepe,
Pepe,
Joe
Robin.
Felix, Ronaldo.
The best one of the world.
Yes, Rafa Real, Bruno Fernandes. There are many.
Yeah, we can play soccer together if you want. You can teach us.
Serious? You know how to play soccer?
A little.
Okay, sharp. Thank you.
Let me kiss you, get